The best sportsman for 2018-19 is Vaibhav Marathe, and he's been given this award for being a rally driver. Perhaps this is for the first time that we find that this sports is getting recognition. As far as we are concerned, best sportsperson Bhakti Kulkarni, she was an awardee in the past. She got an award, but having won the national champion in chess, I think she deserved this award more than anybody. Then the best emerging player among women is Shrungi Bandekar in swimming. Best team for 18-19 is boxing team. Now best coach as far as is Clifford Miranda for football. The best college in sports for women, of course, it is St. Xavier's College, MAPSA. But in sports, we are happy that this year there has been a change, and Goa Medical College gets this award